Hello and welcome to another GoldMine 101, our regular series of short presentations giving you hints and tips for getting the most out of GoldMine CRM. And in this session, I'm going to cover how using the knowledge base feature in GoldMine can help you with customer service and customer support. So hello, I'm Tim Wilmot and my company, Wizard Systems. We're an independent specialist CRM solutions provider who help out primarily small and mid-sized organizations improve their sales, marketing, and customer service through the use of simple and affordable solutions like GoldMine. Now, the audio part of this call is one way only. I'd encourage you, if you've got any questions, pop your questions into the questions section on your meeting control panel, those of you on here live, and I'll do my best to answer those at the end. If you're watching recording, just email us or pop in a comment on the YouTube posting. Also at the end, I'm going to give you an update as of late October 2023, GoldMine product news for you. Okay, just a brief mention about Wizard Systems then for those of you that aren't too familiar with us. We're UK based. We do cover the UK and beyond. We do anything as regards GoldMine, the product, upgrades, add-ons, training. Training can be your place, our place online, and ongoing technical support as well. Okay, so let's dive into the knowledge base then in GoldMine. Now, I'm not going to cover here the service center aspect of GoldMine to create tickets and manage service calls. This is really how to use the knowledge base, used to be called the info center, now called the knowledge base in GoldMine, to help you share information amongst your team and help you provide better customer service. Think of it like the products, prices, procedures in GoldMine. So any information you want to share with your fellow GoldMine users as regards what you do, how you go about it, particular procedures on handling something, FAQ, customer FAQs, product FAQs, price list, product information, any information that you want to share with your sales team might be a good idea to have that in your GoldMine knowledge base. So it's very easy to access it. So this is the knowledge base in GoldMine, a great way of creating this central repository of solutions to common issues, resolutions, so on. And by using the knowledge base, it can help you make sure that everyone is giving standard responses to something, to make sure that everyone is using the same format of those responses. You will access your knowledge base from your main menu down here in the bottom left corner, or you can go to the go-to menu and access knowledge base there. Basically, the knowledge base is a sort of hierarchy of different sections. You've got a book, then you've got chapters, and then within the chapter, you've got pages, and you can click on that page there. For example, I've clicked on this page here within the support section, and I get all that information there, which I could copy and paste if I wanted to an email with the client. But actually, GoldMine gives you a really nice way. If you're on a contact record right now, so there's my current contact record, I could right click over this and I could email that topic directly to that customer, directly from GoldMine, really, really quick. But of course, you can copy and paste certain sections of that if you want to do a more sort of tailored response to that. So these pages are rich text formatted. You do actually have HTML coding. I can just click on that toggle code there to edit the source. So it can be HTML, but it's normally kind of rich text. So supports a wide range of fonts, colors, and so on. And also what you can do against these individual pages or topics is that you can, I'm just editing it here, you can attach a file to it. Okay, so I could browse now to a file. So as well as the topic text, I've got the attached file as well to supplement that information. So a really great way of maintaining a database of common bits of information that you want to share in your team. We've got little keywords there as well that could help us for searching. You can also define who can or can't access this information. You can make it read only, for example. By default, as you may know, everything in GoldMine is pretty much open to everyone. But if you do feel a need for clamping down on this particular topic and only allowing it to be read by certain people, or indeed updated by certain people, you can do that there. You can define that by a team of people. You can create groups of people in GoldMine, or you can home in on a particular person if only one particular person can actually update that topic. You've also got a nice way of searching through all these topics as well. So up here on my knowledge base toolbar there, I've got that little, looks like a pair of binoculars. So you can click on that. And then up comes a little dialog box where you can search for a particular word or phrase. You've got a few parameters to filter that search by. So there's my keywords, topic name. You could even do topic text, the actual text within the topic as well. So really easy ways of finding that information. Click on search and then it quickly finds that information for you. So great way. Check it out if you haven't explored that already. You've got it as standard in GoldMine. Really great way for using that for accessing customer service information and sharing that amongst your team and your customers. You can also launch it from the Service Center. If you are using the Service Center in GoldMine for managing customer support, then from that customer service issue here on the resolution tab, there we are. We've got search knowledge base. You can initiate a search from there as well. So I hope that's given you a little bit of an idea, a little bit of a guide as regards how you can use the knowledge base for customer support. And indeed, it could be used outside of support as well. We do know of clients using it for storing marketing collateral, sales procedures, job roles, using it for assisting people, new starters, on how you might use GoldMine, your particular quirky ways that you might be using GoldMine. You could put in your particular processes or instructions for maybe this is how you take a sales inquiry. This is how you log it in GoldMine, for example. So just a few ideas for you there. Right, question. So Mackenzie is asking, can the knowledge base be made public on our website? No, it can't, Mackenzie. This is internal. This is just an internal knowledge base. However, you can export the knowledge base. So you could export those topics and maybe import it into another tool on your website. So maybe, the information is stored in a structured format. So maybe that could be exported there. Francis, is there a publication process to authorize new topics? I used to use that in that way in a previous company. Yes, I'm familiar with. So yes, so when someone managing the knowledge base or someone adding a new topic, it has to be sort of checked and double checked by a manager before it's sort of made more public or usable, if that's what you mean. Not as such, but you could use that. I showed you that the options, the access options. So maybe you could make something hidden to certain users, and then the manager checks it. So via GoldMine, you could send out a notification to the manager to say, check out this new topic I've added, and then that manager then could make it public, so to speak, within GoldMine. So yeah, possibly, Francis, that could be a way of doing that. Right, don't think there's any more questions. Latest news for you since the last time we were on air. Latest release, GoldMine 2023.4. It was kind of released and then pulled for a few hours where there's a little issue, but that's all been thankfully resolved now. So 2023.4. Contact any of us at Wizard Systems for more information on that. Well over 30 enhancements to this release. You'll see more information about this on our blog. Just go to our website and click on the blog item on the menu. So you go to our GoldMine and Wizard Systems blog to get the lowdown on that release. You'd be well advised to upgrade if you're on a maintenance contract. Always a good idea to keep up to date with these updates to make sure you're compatible and you're taking advantage of the latest features of GoldMine. Just a reminder, if you do want a CRM review of the way, if you're a GoldMine user and you've been using it a particular way over the years and you think you'd like an impartial review of your system based on our expertise with CRM and GoldMine, please contact us and we'd be happy to organize a CRM review, which we normally do via an online call and really get into the nitty-gritty of how you're using GoldMine and come up with some recommendations and a strategy going forwards for the next, say, 3 months, 6 months and beyond. So please contact us about that CRM review service. Just a reminder, if you've got any other ideas for interesting topics that you'd like us to cover on our regular GoldMine 101 sessions, please email us or email me, tim@wizard-systems.com, and be happy to consider those for future events. There's our contact details. Thanks very much for watching. As regards how to use the knowledge base for customer service, we'll catch up with you on the next event. Bye-bye.